Hello everyone, I'm Percy number 6 and welcome back for yet another unboxing video. I can't believe it's in 2022 now and I'm buying as much Thomas stuff as I am, but recently Amazon had some discounts on some new Thomas Wooden Railway items, and then the discounts disappeared, but I still wanted to buy them and I just didn't do it in time. So I actually didn't buy them from Amazon, I bought it from Toys and Co. If you remember Thomas Wooden Railway, good friend. He just did a video about Toys and Co. and I'm like, you know, 20% off, might as well do it. So here we are. I know it's a pain if you've watched my unboxing videos. It's a pain to open up the new Thomas Wooden Railway stuff, so I will open up the box on camera. I've got this little specialty, not really knife because it's plastic, but it helps a lot. Here. Okay, so I'm back. I finished cutting it. May or may have not cut myself while doing it, so we will just keep the cutting of stuff off camera. Here is the inside of the box. You know, protection, not bad, not bad. So I guess we'll go one by one. So this first item I actually can tell just by the size of the box. Maybe you can tell, no, it doesn't say it on the back, so we keep the surprise a little bit longer. This one, honestly, I guess I don't really need. These are all want, right? I already have actually, one of these engines I do not have, but all of these engines I already did have. This, except for one, which is the first new Thomas Wood I didn't have, or Wooden Railway. Like, I have the old versions of these, but I guess the long story short of this is, I had my mind set on this one because he was on discount, so it's like, I gotta finish it. Diesel, we'll do the Chris Collinsworth slide, of course. Hi there, Diesel. We'll open him up off camera as well. Okay, I'm starting to see why my friends usually open it just from the back. I don't even know how you can open it. I don't see where they open it. Whatever. I'm okay with the way I open it. It keeps the box intact very well. But here's Diesel. Wow. Wow. I do like this. I really do. I still don't like that they do the names like this instead of on the side. I think it's so much more preferred to do it that way. But beside the point, a little dusty. I guess Diesel's been around for a bit. But, you know, the face. If I did a power ranking of faces in these new TWR, because they are very hit or miss. I don't know. There we go. Like, this is probably middle towards the top half of the middle. Like, it's okay, I guess. No, it's nice, you know. I don't know what too much to say. It's a little bit bigger than, let's see, I got from my last unboxing, here's Duck. And actually, Diesel is just like a tad, very, very slightly. Like, I thought it'd be a little bit bigger than that, but it's so slightly bigger than these older engines, you can barely tell. But where's I guess I don't have any of the other ones out. I'll grab like Thomas in a second to compare him, see how much bigger Diesel is to Thomas. But here we go. Here's Diesel, and next up, here's the new engine I have. Caitlin. Never have had I called it Caitlin. Why did I do that? Rebecca. Ooh, I meant Rebecca. Trust me. We'll do the Chris Collinsworth slide if you don't believe me. And let's open up Rebecca off camera again. Okay, since we have Diesel, I did bring out good old Thomas. So before we look at Rebecca, here's Thomas and Diesel. Just looking at them, you can kind of tell that Diesel's a little bit bigger. I think the spacing of his wheels really show it for you. And man, you can barely tell, but he is bigger. And I like that. I think Diesel should be bigger, even if it's like an ever so slightly bigger. So I do like that. We'll put Diesel to the side. Thomas, I've already unboxed him in a separate video. You can check that out later if you want. So Caitlin is next. We did get a pamphlet with Caitlin. I wonder if people just forget to put these in like, so, because like Diesel didn't have it. But my Henry did, my Caitlin did. I think only Thomas had it. I don't think Percy and Gordon had it. So I wonder if people are just forgetting to put these in some. Because, like, I could very well see that. Or if there's, like, a method to their madness. I literally do not know. We'll open it up even though, like I said, I've done it on camera. I just love looking at these. They are cool. So this is the first wave, I believe. Because it's just Thomas, James, Rebecca, Diesel, Nia, Rosie, Kevin, Hero, Percy, and Gordon. Yeah, it's definitely just the first wave because I know Toby's out, Henry, Edward, and here's the very, very small amount that you can build. If I find the second one, which I'm sure I will once I open up the last item, but without further delay, let's get to none other than Caitlyn. Caitlyn, a lot more plasticky than I thought it would be. But yeah, I said Caitlyn again. I don't know why I keep saying that. You know who it is. I know who it is. It's Rebecca. And there's Rebecca with her tender as well. I do like the NWR. It's pretty cool that they have it. Number 22. She got a number well before Emily did. I don't think she's featured much in All Engines Go, but it does make sense that they made her. She was a big part of the rebranding of Thomas before they rebranded it. Yeah, I'm just glad to have Caitlyn, and honestly, like, look at the face. Yeah, again, if we do the power ranking of faces, she's definitely in the good half. Like, she's probably towards the top, honestly, for me, even though the mouth is a little but I still like it. I like it. So we'll put Caitlyn here, and then last but not least, honestly, this is the main reason I got it, and I'm not a big fan of this engine's model, but I kind of need it. I have a video coming up that I want to use it for, so it's none other than... we have James. Okay, so I'm going to open up James off camera. Give me a second. So I didn't do the official Chris Collinsworth slide. I did open up James already, but I will put it back in just to do the official Chris Collinsworth slide. But now I can actually just pull it out. It's almost like I unboxed it on camera, but I actually didn't. So, although I can't even get it out, what the heck, James is tender. So I know a lot of people, I've seen people talk about this, the tender is smaller than the old tender, which is really surprising, but honestly, I actually really like this. Even the face, that's honestly, the face is the biggest reason I didn't get it, but now that I have it and I'm looking at it in person, I don't mind the face. Like James I thought was middle to bottom tier face for me. Now I'm like, I actually really like this face. I actually really like this model. In general, this might be my favorite model. I can't believe how good James is. I honestly cannot believe it. So we'll put, if I can do the tender, we'll just do the old-fashioned way to turn the turntable. But oh my goodness, like James is really great in person. Now I'm kind of wishing I got Toby and Edward too. I was kind of reluctant to get them. I'm like, even though that would complete the Steam team, I'm like, I really didn't need them. I wasn't a big fan of either of their faces, but now that I have James in person, I can see why people are a big fan of these. Because, like, I mean, let's look at, first, their tenders. I mean, James's tender is by far smaller than Rebecca's tender. And then you put it here, James is by far smaller, and I really like it. Oh my goodness, I really like it. I'm not kidding you when I say James might be my favorite of these models. I might have to do an actual in-depth review of these guys, but I'm a big fan. The one thing I did bring up, Henry, when I did Henry, it had the full list, so I want to show you guys the full list, even though all of these are Wave 1. But, yeah, I mean, they actually added a decent amount. You get 2 Troublesome Trucks, Toby, then you have Edward, you have Emily, and then you have Kenji. I'm honestly surprised Emily wasn't Wave 1, but Caitlyn was. Why do I keep saying Caitlyn? Rebecca. Rebecca was, but not Emily. Very interesting move, Thomas. Wooden Railway, and then here's a more in-depth. I think they added, well, why should I say I think? Let's look. This is the one I got with Caitlyn. Oh my goodness, Rebecca. I'm sorry. So yeah, they had the Roundhouse and they had Natford, and now they added the Docks, or Cranky, I should say. And then they have that small set, which was in the other one as well. But the line's coming out really nice. They did Wave 1 and 2 like right after each other. I wonder when we're getting Wave 3, and I wonder who we get in Wave 3. But oh my goodness, so this is another unboxing. Gotta cut myself off camera just so I could do this, but the cut was worth it. I'm actually a big fan of these guys. Like I said, James, holy moly. I might have to actually do an in-depth review of some of these engines, because this is just crazy. These, like, James, I'm probably going to be looking at him off camera for a while, like, this is such a good model of James. How did we get this lucky? Yeah, I'm an absolute huge fan of this. This was great. This was fantastic. So, yeah, very happy to have these guys. Definitely have no regrets doing it. And Twinkle, I think with shipping and tax, I think I paid about $55 for this. So, I mean, justify it however you want. I think that was okay. A little more than I would have liked, but you know, at the end of the day, I'm a happy customer. I'm happy to get these. It was less than 20 each, so that's how I look at it, and I'm pretty happy about that. So I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing. I'm very excited, and I can't wait to show you what I have in store for James. I hope to be getting that video out. Now, my anniversary is coming up. It's in about a month. September. It's less than a month now. September 20th. So I do have that anniversary video coming out. We'll see if it happens before or after, but I'm so thrilled. I have a lot of stuff coming to this channel after this review, and while I do have the anniversary video, you guys know about that. I have at least 2 other videos I'm excited to show you that I have not yet brought up, so I'll keep that suspense. But thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and look at the rate I'm going. I'm probably gonna have another unboxing video coming up soon too. So thank you for watching. This is person number 6. Have a great day.